how they deserve it. Animation of Jared Wilson's ears. And you can also use for drawing, not listening, because yeah, I will draw. And you can use for a tutorial, because yeah, I will teach you. And they're real amazing because you can also listen on what I say. So you can also listen. You can also use it for listening, because you will also listen on what other words that I will say. So yeah, so that will gonna be amazing. So yeah, so let's get started. So yeah, so first draw the guidelines on it. So do the horizontal line and do the vertical line that jumps up. No, down, and then there's a line that jumps down again, and then there's a horizontal line that jumps, yeah, at the bottom. And then draw the line that jumps down, third line. So yeah, to draw it like an ear. So we'll draw all that and then remove the guidelines on it. We'll draw all that and then draw the curve line on it. To draw it from the bottom, draw it like that. So yeah, draw that jumps up. Draw it, and then draw the curve line on the top part of it. And then draw that jumps a little bit of backwards on it. Gonna draw all that and then draw them. Yeah, draw the line like a letter C. Draw it like an inverted version of it. Draw like an inverted letter C on it. So yeah, draw like an inverted C on it, like that. But draw that, and then draw a line like a heart shape on it. Draw like you can't draw a heart like that. Draw like that. Draw like a crappy version of it. Draw this like you can. So yeah, like that. But draw that and draw a curved line on the top part of it. Yeah. But draw all that and draw a curved line on the right part of it. Then draw a small curved line on the top part of it. So yeah. But make it a little bit longer. Yeah. But draw all that and draw them shading on the outer line on it. So draw it like that. So draw it a little bit darker on it. So yeah. So you want to draw all that and then make a bottom and a top part of it real darker. Yeah. At the top part. So we'll draw all that and then draw them shading on the inner curved line on it. To draw the real darker on it. So yeah. And you can't draw the floor space on it. So one on the right. So one on the top part of it and then two on the left, including heart shape on it. So yeah, all I have to do is just shade it darker. Shade it real dark. So yeah. At the end there's a wine at it. So there's an inner clear wine at it. All we have to do is shade darker. Draw all that and then draw them shading at a wine on it. I don't want a one part of it. Just like that. Just like that. So yeah, but draw all that and then again there's the wetter wine on it. There's a shape like a wetter wine on it. So yeah, all we have to do is draw them shading on the side of it. Draw them shading on the side of it. Just like that. So yeah. But draw that in your cotton. So grab the cotton and then blend it again. And then blend it. To blend it. Yeah, but draw all that and draw them shadows on it. So first, just on the bottom. Yeah, but draw all that and draw it on the top also. And blend it. Yes, you can blend it with a cotton also. But I guess draw some more shadings on it. Cause yeah, that was realistic. That's not a simple earth that I can draw. And then draw them blend it again. So yeah, we draw all that and then draw them highlights on it. So straight in the middle. So this other part that is not shaded darker. Yeah. Then other part that is not shading darker. Draw all that and blend it. Blend it real soft. As fast as you can. But draw all that and then yeah. And let her draw the ears. Yeah. So honestly I did an intro yesterday because I can't draw the ear. And I forgot some steps to do it. But now but the tutorial and this video is recorded now. So yeah, but I'm real sorry because I can't draw it. I think I forgot some steps to do it. But now yeah, I remember it. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. So I'll be watching my next video to learn more about my next challenge.